So if you're someone who hates chalky protein shakes or just wants an easier way to hit your protein goal, you're gonna wanna see these. So let's go over the KR Labs Clear Whey Protein Gummies. I'm gonna go over what's actually in these, then show you what they look like and taste like, and talk about who these are for, all to help you make a better informed buying decision for your supplements. Okay, so this is a protein supplement in gummy bear form. Each bag has 120 gummies, and it's 30 servings, and a serving is just 4 gummies. And the flavor is watermelon ice. And this comes from KR Labs, a US-based supplement brand, and it's made right here in the USA. Okay, let's have a closer look at the bag here, and then the gummies. You can see the ingredients, and we'll cover some of the ingredients in a second here. Have a look at the actual gummies. So not really clear, as you can see. They're that watermelon color. They're your standard gummy size. It smells good. Right when I open the bag, I can smell that watermelon-y flavor. Okay, so let's do a quick taste test here. That is really good. The texture is really nice. It's not that kind of chalky like taste that you can sometimes get with gummy bears, like protein gummy bears or just other types of supplement gummy bears. It's sweet, but not too sweet. You definitely get that watermelon-y flavor. Definitely a little bit of a zing to it as well, the watermelon-y flavor, so it's not just a straight watermelon flavor. And yeah, these are really good. I could eat a ton of these right now. Just have one more. So this is really a great way to get more protein in. Like 4 of these is 10 grams of protein. I have no problem eating 4 of these right now. So taste test, I'll give this a 9.0 out of 10. Okay, let's talk about some of the ingredients here. So it does have whey protein isolate, again, 10 grams for 4 gummies, which is 1 serving. So you get fast absorbing protein without the grit or the bloating you get from cheaper whey concentrates. And it's really easy on the stomach. And then we have the electrolyte blend. So that's what was kind of surprising about this, that the protein gummies did have an electrolyte blend of sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and iron. So it's a balanced electrolyte blend in every serving, and the same minerals your body loses when you sweat. So you're not just getting the protein, you're also getting hydration support, which is really nice if you're taking these around a workout. Okay, and then we have vitamin D3, and the vitamin most people run low on is D3, especially in the winter months. And vitamin D3 supports immunity and bone health, and it just rounds out this, beyond just a pure protein snack. Then we have vitamin B12, and this is the energy and metabolism vitamin. And this helps support natural energy, a nice bonus in something you're eating already. Then we have vitamin C, of course, the familiar immune support vitamin, and this covers another box on your daily nutrition list. So a really comprehensive formula here in these gummies. And this is GMP certified, so it's made in a facility that follows strict manufacturing standards for consistency and cleanliness. And it's also non-GMO, meaning it's verified to not contain genetically modified ingredients. And these are 0 carbs, 0 sugar, gluten-free, and sweetened with stevia. So there's only 40 calories for 4 gummies. And this, this fits pretty much into any eating style, keto, low carb, gluten-free, sugar-free. So you're not spiking your blood sugar to get your protein in, which is really nice. And these are just so convenient. No shaker bottle, no blender, no scoops, no cleanup. And you just throw this in your bag, in your gym, in your gym bag, your desk drawer, or your pantry, and just grab 4 when you need them. And for me, that's a lot easier than mixing a shake. So what I really like about these is the taste is legitimately good. And it's not just good for a protein product. It tastes like a gummy. There's no bloating or stomach issues, that other whey can give you. It's 0 sugar, 0 carbs, that makes it easily fit into any diet. The gummy form means 0 prep, you just eat them. One thing that could be improved, because 4 gummies only gets you 10 grams of protein, if you're trying to hit 30 or 40 grams in one sitting, you're eating a lot of gummies. So these work better as a snack or a top up and not, as a full shake replacement. And of course, per gram of protein, these are more expensive than buying powder in bulk, and you're paying for convenience. Just keep that in mind. Because they taste like a candy, it's easy to eat more than 1 serving without realizing it. Also keep that in mind. So I really use these as kind of like a top up. So I'm getting some protein from, a powder, or usually I like to, of course, have food that has protein and then just, top that up with a serving of these. So who are these for? So these are really for anyone who hates the taste of protein powder or shakes, or who just wants a way to sneak more protein in without the mess. And this works really well for people who want a post-workout protein hit without mixing anything. Anyone on a low carb, keto, or sugar-free diet who still wants a sweet snack. And again, it also has electrolytes, so that's really good for after a workout as well. It's also good for busy people who want something they can grab at their desk or throw in a gym bag. You know, parents looking for a cleaner snack option for kids, you know, no added sugar, plus electrolytes and protein. Who this is not for. So if you're, you know, a serious lifter trying to hit, you know, 150 plus grams of protein, you know, this alone isn't gonna, you know, cut it. But again, it is a supplement. It's just, you know, compared to powders, it's going to be a little less protein. So in my opinion, if you want protein without the shake, without the chalky aftertaste, and without a bunch of sugar, this is definitely worth checking out. The fact that it tastes like candy and still delivers real 100% whey isolate protein with electrolytes and vitamins is pretty hard to beat for this grab and go snack.